I thought, how great would it be if we could change the chapel into something that was more outreaching in a cooperative way between the community and Renown, and revise this chapel into an interfaith sanctuary. The reason I thought about that is that I really do have a personal testimony of the power of prayer. My daughter had a serious illness, and I really credit a lot of the power of prayer for finding some of the answers that were needed in a very short period of time. So I think there's a direct connection between medical and spiritual health. And so I wanted to have Renown become sort of the, if you will, the hospital with a heart.
The history of the chapel is long and very special to Renown. It was dedicated over 50 years ago. Now we want everyone to feel welcome, all denominations of Christianity and all faiths. The whole project has been funded by the community, and the efforts have gone through the foundation to the interfaith community and to the community at large, and the monies have come from private donors and foundations.
I think it's important to have a space like that in a hospital to provide sort of a sacred space for people to come and have a quiet moment, a place to meditate, maybe a place to cry, to be angry, to share those emotions with other people. That's not always easy to do in a waiting room or in a patient's room.
A lot of people will say, I'm not religious, I'm spiritual. And I asked some people to tell me in art, what speaks to you in terms of what is religious? What is a spiritual experience? And you see the art on the wall outside of the center, 3 different renditions of their connectedness to what is spiritual to them.
It represents a change throughout our healthcare system to incorporate spiritual care, to incorporate that side of individuals as they come in front of us. And so it's sort of the point of the spear for spiritual care being incorporated into a lot of what we do throughout the healthcare system, not just in that one space.
There are spiritual needs that people have, and they need to be heard, and they need to feel like someone's there for them.